Hey man, I just emptied my bank account on my new PC build and I am so excited. That's amazing. So proud of you, dude. You're switching from console, right? Yep, I've been playing on this old VHS player Xbox One since like 2015. It's about time. Wow, that's gonna be a massive upgrade. Just a quick question though. Did you budget in for peripherals when you built your PC? Peripheral what? Huh? Ooh, boy, you console goobers. You always do this, man. Whoa. First off, I left that console life behind me, man. I'm moving on. And secondly, what did I do wrong? Well, peripherals are all the extra stuff that you need for a PC setup besides the PC itself. Like what? Specifically, spit it out. Oh, you know, your headphones, keyboard, mouse, monitor, microphone. Oh yeah, I should have thought of that, but you know, all that stuff is pretty cheap, right? Yeah, that's funny, bud. One thing you need to know about the world of PC gaming is that everything gets expensive very quick. Okay, well, I guess I could just buy a cheap keyboard and a mouse for the time being. I found a decent Razer keyboard? Yeah, this is what happens to everyone with their first build. Dude, wait, what's wrong with a Razer keyboard? This one looks nice. Those base level Razer keyboards are fine, but after a little while, you're gonna wanna upgrade, trust me. Okay, so I'll just upgrade when I have the money. It's not that simple, dude. You need to get a microphone, a monitor, and a mouse. Well, yeah, I can just get some decent peripherals and then I'm gonna upgrade them later. You can, but I don't recommend skimping out on the monitor. It doesn't matter how nice your build is, if you have a monitor, your games will just, well, look like Okay, I'll get a good monitor and then a cheap microphone and mouse and just do the job until I upgrade later. Listen, in theory that sounds great, but you console goobs never factor in the most important part of being a PC gamer. Oh my goodness, what now? You've never experienced a Steam sale. We have sales on Xbox, man. It can't be that different. You think you understand, but you have never felt the rush of buying a $60 game for 75% off or a hentai fishing simulator that you've never seen before for like $2. What are you talking about? Dude, I can just not buy those games. We PC gamers always think that, and then boom, the entire Star Trek Armada series is like $9 on the front page of Steam. Dude, do you even play most of these games that you buy? What are you talking about? I swear to God, I'm going to, one day. All right, let me get this straight. So you're saying that if I don't buy nice peripherals now, I'm gonna be stuck with ones because I'll keep buying games during Steam sales? I wanna make sure I'm keeping up here. That is the burden of being a PC gamer. We work in the shadows so console gamers can blissfully live in ignorance. All right, I don't think it's that deep, man. I'll just save a little bit more for my peripherals and play on Xbox in the meantime. That's a very wise decision, Bravo. Just hold on a little longer and your ascendance to the PC Master Race is almost here.